It is so fun to play with color, but how can you incorporate the bold, bright blue Pantone color of the year into your home decor and be on trend for 2020? You don't want to get too crazy with the colors when it comes to home decorating, so keep watching to see these 5 tips on how to use classic blue tastefully in your home. In my video on how to wear the color of the year, you saw that I went pretty bold with those color combinations. When it comes to home decor, we are going to have to tone it down just a little bit so your house doesn't look like a rainbow. Classic blue is perfect for that farmhouse look that is so popular right now. This is because the modern farmhouse look tends to have a stark white or a whitewash look, and then classic blue looks really amazing with white and can break up a bunch of neutrals without being overly bright. Classic blue also looks great with all types of wood stained finishes and can also tie in nicely with buffalo check. Galvanized steel and other silver finishes are also popular with the farmhouse look, and classic blue looks great with those finishes too. Classic blue is basically a neutral, so no need to be afraid of this color. Let me explain why. Think of your blue jeans. Blue jeans basically go with everything in your closet, right? You can dress them up, you can dress them down, pair them with any colored top in your closet. Really, blue jeans are just a neutral because they're blue. So even though this classic blue shade is fairly bright and bold, it can be paired with most other colors pretty successfully. Let's take a look at it with a few other color schemes so you can see what I mean. Now, if you do pair this classic blue with some other colors, then you just want to make sure that you don't do too much of it. Like, really make that blue the focus point in the room and then accent with the other colors if you choose. An easy and inexpensive way to add some classic blue touches to your home are with your dinnerware. Blue and white pottery goes way back with influences from the Netherlands, England, and China. Cobalt oxide was found to withstand high firing temperatures, so it was able to be applied under the clear glaze. This style has been so long-standing and copied over the years, its influences are seen in plenty of designs today. Picking up some dinnerware or accent pieces for your dining table can be a great way to incorporate this trendy color into your decor because we've seen it withstand the test of time. Here are a few items I saw at Target using classic blue. If you're new here, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. My name is Maria and I share home, fashion, and creative cupcakes. I post new videos every week, so make sure to subscribe if you like the idea of being creative in your life. Some ways to add classic blue to your home without making it look like a Pantone hotel. Okay, side note, yes, there is a Pantone hotel. If you are a color enthusiast or designer like me, maybe this gets you just as excited. This place is in Brussels and it looks so gorgeous. Now, this is taking color to the extreme when it comes to interior design. But really, who else can get away with it than Pantone? So maybe this isn't the look for your home, but if you want to add some touches of blue without going too crazy, here are a couple of ideas. You can add a little color to your couch, your bedroom, the chair in your study, or cushions at your dining room table. This is really a cost-effective way to work in classic blue. An accent wall would be great on one side of the dining room, behind a fireplace, or in a study. You're only committing one wall in your house to the color, but it can really make a big impact, especially when you pair it with maybe some throw pillows and some other accents in your home. Another way to make a big impact is right at the entrance of your home. Try painting your front door in classic blue. It could add a pop of color without being too loud. A popular style in kitchens right now is using an accent color. A lot of people are painting their lower cabinets or kitchen island in a different color, and sometimes they're using pretty bright colors. This can make a huge impact, especially if you have an open floor plan and your kitchen is connected to your living space. You could paint that island classic blue and then add a few accent pillows and Dutch-inspired vases to your living room, and then you'll be right on trend. And if the idea of painting something in your house with this color of the year is kind of scaring you, then I have a low commitment idea for incorporating classic blue into your home. You can find so many styles of paintings with this gorgeous shade of classic blue. Here are a few, but there's also the option to whip something up yourself. Don't tell me that you aren't an artist. I have done a few painting videos showing you how easy it is to throw some paint down on a canvas and make it look pretty good without too much effort. Everyone is creative, and I bet if you had the tools in front of you, you could come up with something really nice for your walls. Maybe I'll do another painting video, but this time use classic blue. Let me know in the comments below if you would be interested in something like that. I went into how Pantone chose the color of the year a little more in my fashion video all about classic blue, and you can go much bolder with your color combos when it comes to fashion, so make sure to check that video out right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.